Hi guys, so today we are bringing the flavors of your favorite Indian restaurant right to your home with this incredible restaurant style Chana Masala. This flavorful chickpea curry is packed with aromatic spices and has that authentic taste you know and love. In this video, I'll show you the secret to create this restaurant quality dish. From the perfect blend of spices to the rich and creamy gravy. If you are craving that authentic Chana Masala experience, then stick around. We are using a special blend of spices and a few key techniques to create that authentic taste. If you are looking for a Chana Masala that's both satisfying and full of flavor, you have come to the right place. Join me as we create this restaurant style Chana Masala together. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. So now let's begin. So first take the pressure cooker. Add 2 cups chickpeas washed and soaked overnight. Then add just enough water to cover the chickpeas. Add some salt to taste. Then cover it and cook for 5 whistles. Then turn off the flame, and when all the steam is out, take off the lid. So the chickpeas are perfectly cooked now. Let me show you. As you can see, it is perfectly cooked. Then leave it aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan, add 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, 2 bay leaves, 2 green cardamoms, 6 cloves, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, and dry roast it until it is nice and light brown. Then leave it aside and cool it down completely. Then take a mixer jar, add all the dry roasted spices and blend it to a fine powder. So the masala powder is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave it aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan, add oil. Add 2 onions chopped and fry the onion until it is nice and soft. Then add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 green chili and fry it for about 2 minutes. Then add 3 fresh tomato puree. I have just blended the tomatoes into smooth puree. Then give it a nice mix. Then cover it and allow it to boil. Then add 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, add more if required. Then cook the masalas for about 2 to 3 minutes. Let the masalas nicely cook with the tomatoes. Then add the cooked chickpeas and give it a nice mix. Then cover it and allow it to boil. Then add the masala powder which was previously made. Add 1 stock cube. Add some salt to taste and then give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then add handful of chopped coriander leaves. Add 1 tablespoon ghee or clarified butter and then give it a nice mix. Then cook it again for about 3 to 4 minutes until the oil is separated on the surface. Then give it a final mix. So the restaurant style chana masala is ready. And there you have it guys, a perfectly rich and authentic restaurant style chana masala ready to be served. I hope you will try this recipe and experience the delicious true to the restaurant flavor right in your own home. It's fantastic with rice, naan or even a simple roti. Don't forget to like this video if you love this recipe. Subscribe for more authentic dishes and let me know in the comments how your chana masala turned out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.